Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the app Fanplus. Fanplus is doing a poll for the best girl group contest now. Best girl group contest starting from today at 5 p.m. Korea time. I'm a fan of Red Velvet. So here I got 135 votes. Put it in. Yes. Wow. It's a neck and neck competition between Red Velvet and Secret Number. Here it's like the competition for the best girl group contest. So how do you gain the votes? So this is the homepage. Go to the vote, and then you can earn votes by watching video, watching advertisement. You can also do mission. Other than that, you can also convert your cash. Like this cash can be earned on the app. Like now I have like 550 cash. I can convert to 3,000 votes. But I would encourage you to like exchange for 30,000 votes or 12,000 votes. Cause actually you need more coins to convert to like 30,000 votes. This one is already like there's like a bit of discount. So I would encourage you to like if you want to exchange your cash in this app to the votes, exchange it for the higher vote because it's like cheaper. So here there's a collecting guide on how you can collect more votes and cash. First, you can present votes with friend. After this, I will share how to present the votes to friends. So let's go to the second method. Watch advertisement video. You can get 450 free votes by watching advertisement 30 times per day. For every advertisement you watch, you will get 15 votes. The third method is confirm photos and get votes. Okay, so how to confirm the photos? First, you go to the photos, and then here's a plus sign here. You can see there's like confirm photos. Press the button confirm photos, and then the photo will come out. You just need to confirm whether, since my bias is Irene, so I just confirm whether there is Irene in it. If it's yes, you press yes. No, you just press the X. That's all you need. My internet is a bit slow here, so I cannot show how does it work. But this one is actually easy to do. So after you confirm the photos, 50 photos per day, you can confirm 50 photos per day. You go to the mailbox and then admin mail to collect the votes. You should collect the free votes that you earn from confirming the photos before midnight. Because after midnight they disappear. The vote that you earn from confirming the photo disappear. So when you go to the home button, then press on mailbox, admin mail, and then this is where you will receive the votes that you earn by confirming photos. Here number 4 is complete mission to get votes. Number 5 is like complete mission to earn cash. If you can do the first 3 collecting guide, is already good enough, because the complete mission is the level of difficulty is hard. So how do you send votes to your friend? You go to this friends here, and then you just press here, and then they will receive your votes. You can earn cash like the coins from this app by checking in every day. Just press here, press this part, there's like a calendar and a tick sign, and for a friend that you invite, you will get 500 cash for yourself and your friend. Bias in common friend. There's like, yeah, a lot of people. My bias is Irene. So here you can add them as friend. So do download Fanplus now and use my invitation code so we can both get 500 coins. First prize for winner will have like advertisement at Yongsan iPark Mall. Second prize winner will have Subway CM board for 7. Other than making friends of the same bias as you can also go to the board. And then you can see Red Velvet board here, and then there's like a lot of posts. So this person have like 50 friends and still need 3 more to have. So to add friend, you just press the photo of that person and then you press add friend. So that's all from me. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and go to my description box. I will insert the link for this Fanplus app, and I will put my invitation code too. So that's all from me. Thank you.